Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and it is Thursday the 26th September 2019, and this is a potential trade setup short for pound yen. It can also do a similar trade setup for the other sterling pairs, including the cable, but here's one for the pound yen. And over the last couple of days it has retested, tried to break higher above the weekly pivot at 134.58, got rejected and fell to the daily 55 EMA at 132.85. Now it's consolidating, and if it does push up higher, then potentially there could be a bearish continuation move if it's rejected, and it could drop lower, and this is a potential support area at this previous swing high 132.16 or 17. This candle swing low is at right there as well, so that could be a potential target zone. And there's also a swing low here at 133.35 area. Let's change to the 4 time frame. Could be swing lows here if we can't break above this level, and along with the weekly S1 pivot level at 133.41. If it does push up higher, that's even better, because then there'll be a stronger rejection. There's a swing low here at 133.49. So this could be a potential rejection zone or resistance zone. Let's mark this down. And this will be our potential target area. This will be at the 132 probably 20 area with a high of 132.42. So within this zone here, there is also a interim target at this swing low right at 132.84, along with the weekly S2 pivot at 132.71. So this could be another intermediate support zone that we should take note of. Okay, so ideally we should try to get in around this zone at 133.30 to 40 area. It's up as 30, and this is a potential entry. And this could be our take profit 1 area. it's bigger here. $132.84. So we could set this at TP1 132.90. So TP1. And potentially one here at 132, let's call it 35. It could be anywhere within the 20 to 40 zone, but let's make it 35 because I think our entry is probably going to be around the 35 area. So this entry, we could make this 35. Yeah, hopefully it can come up to that zone, spike through, and then drop. That could be our potential entry. And then we can make this a 100 pip target zone, 100 pip target move. Now, where to place our stop? Make sure we got to move it slightly above the 55 period EMA. So it could be a 40 pip move, 35 pips. Let's make this a bit lighter. Okay, so anywhere in this zone from 35 to 45. Yeah, 35 to 45, it could be at 40. So stop loss should not be higher than the 70. Could be even lower at 65. All right. So it's a 35 pip stop with 100 pip take profit, so about 3 to 1 ratio. And you could also take partial profits along the way and then move your entry to break even or slightly a few more pips. And that's for 45 pip intermediate target. Alright, let's double check this with our Fibonacci to see whether that's doable, feasible, and let's take a look at this bigger swing of this fib. So we're trying to target this 38 fib area at 132.28, so that's reasonable. Go back to the 4-hour time frame. and we can also use a shorter term fib continuation move. And there is a 138 fib extension at 132.44, 45, just above the 200 period EMA. So this zone is definitely a key target area. So this is possible. We just need pound yen to make a swing higher and hopefully hits our resistance zone before falling. Now if it does not climb up to the resistance zone and starts falling away, then it's going to be a short-term scalp if it's just moving down to 40-50 pips lower. But ideally, if we want a bigger move, then we want it to move up to a better value area for an intraday move. And from this previous swing low as well at the 100 fib, and back down to the 138 fib extension. Alright, so we'll see how this works out. And it's not an invitation to trade, but just to understand my analysis and to learn from this trade setup. So if you do trade, it's at your own risk, and we'll follow up on whether this trade idea works out in the next couple of days. Alright, have a good trading week and good luck. Cheers.